Whenever anyone would inquire about whether I had a book or instructional videos, or in the last few years, online courses, I'd respond that a project like that would take so much. I'd have to stop everything else I was doing, the making, the traveling for workshops, the traveling for shows. I'd say, maybe I'll do something like that when I'm a little bit older and my body's starting to scream at me from all the years of handwork and it's not so easy to travel. No one could have imagined the restrictions that COVID would cause, but I did know how I needed to pivot my business. My name's Lisa Klakulik, and I'm the hands, head, and heart of STRONGFELT. In the summer of 2020, I began to coalesce nearly 2 decades of working with the wool medium and teaching workshops into an online course series called Felt Jewelry, Material, Technique, and Impact. So why felt jewelry? Well, jewelry's been a predominant format of my creative output. Even before making work with felt, I was doing sculptural seed bead work in high school and college. For those of you who've taken workshops with me before, you know that I teach in a small scale format, doing studies to learn technique, and then you can invest your own time for the design work to make what you want. Also, that small scale format of the jewelry making, it necessitates less space. So that, along with the inward nature of our social interactions during the COVID restrictions, it made sense to work with this small-scale, shrinking format of felting. So the Felt Jewelry series, Material, Technique, and Impact, focuses on the material's nature and then techniques to manipulate that, as well as the fervor of motion and pressure that we inflict with our bodies on the material to make the felt happen. So each course within the series focuses on a general concept and applies that concept across the 3 main dimensions of wet felting: solid form, 2-dimensional plane, and hollow form. Course 1 focuses on foundational structure techniques, preparation of the fiber for layout, as well as the nuances of the felting and fulling. So we're building the forms of solid, 2-dimensional plane, and hollow form and learning how to connect those together under one continuous skin. So make sure that you head over to strongfelt.com and sign up for the mailing list so that you receive the next newsletter that will give all the details about the course 1, which will be launching this spring, early summer of 2021, as well as look under the teaching header on the website and you'll find the online and on-point coursework